Sulak Canyon, located in the picturesque region of Dagestan, is a breathtaking natural wonder that offers a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Known for its stunning landscape and mesmerizing beauty, Sulak Canyon has become increasingly popular among tourists seeking to explore the hidden gems of Russia. The drone view allows you to see the immensity of the canyon and truly appreciate its majesty from above. The landscape of Sulak Canyon is truly awe-inspiring. Spanning over 53 kilometers in length and reaching depths of up to 19 meters, it is one of the deepest canyons in the world. The canyon is carved by the mighty Sulak River, which adds to its scenic charm with its crystal-clear waters and dramatic rapids. Sulak Canyon has gained popularity among tourists for its unique blend of natural beauty and adventure. Nature lovers can explore the diverse flora and fauna that call this place home, while thrill seekers can indulge in adrenaline-pumping activities like rock climbing or zip-lining across the canyon. When planning your next travel adventure, consider adding Sulak Canyon to your itinerary for a truly remarkable journey into one of Russia's hidden gems.